We're about to leave for gymnastics, but Ella just buckled her seatbelt all by herself. Right? For the first time ever. She's getting so big. Huh?
I have my seat buckled by myself.
Well, yeah, but you've been doing that for a while. Eva has some serious hiccups right now.
And I'm making
Ella is trying to
do a hiccup song.
do a hiccup song.
Listen.
So that she doesn't have it anymore, but it's like something serious. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We've tried water, we've tried holding our breath,
and we tried
the hiccup song. None of which worked. So we need to get something. I don't know how you get rid of hiccups.
Normally, if pineapple.
Pineapple?
Yeah,
that
pineapple.
Works? You've heard that before?
Yeah.
All right, so pineapple.
And Mickey Mouse. Actually.
Ever.
What do you have, Ava?
Da Vinci,
and then what did you do to it?
I spread it out.
And then what are you gonna do?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Color a picture. What's it called? Frisco. Frisco. Are you about to learn about that?
He was an artist.
What colors does?
Look at you, Ella.
Yeah, you use that and you color.
Okay, are you making? Do you need a circle? Do you want me to help you make a circle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so just make
Sissy's
sure
down there
that
coloring her sunset and flowers.
The plaster is kind of, it feels weird, doesn't it? When you're drawing on the plaster.
Bumpy. Huh, Ella?
Gray.
Gray, that's right.
You shouldn't have to color transferred onto the plaster.
Perfect.
Yep. And you don't need to rush through. Did you mess up?
tomato?
Did you want
I asked my mom. This is
to color in his mouth anything like that?
Frisco.
my Frisco pink.
And you used chalk pastels on it?
Oh, that's a lot of glue.
And
You
I'll
did a
tell
good
you
job.
what it is.
Okay, tell me.
I did a garden with some pumpkins, and then I put a sunset, and then the dark sky.
I love it with some birds.
Some birds.
And what is it? Show me Ella's really quick.
Hers? I don't know what hers.
She just liked to smear all the colors together. But they're beautiful.
Yes, they are beautiful.
So it's on plaster.
On glass. Can I see it?
I think it's great. We finished art class.
Yeah. And now we're going.
And now we're going to the park for just a second. And then we gotta go home and finish school. Whoa. You gotta put your hands down. There you go. Good job. Yeah. All right, what were you gonna show me? What about your bridge?
Oh, hey.
Stay here, Ella. We did school, and now we're on our way to meet Daddy for pizza. But Ava is very upset. What are you upset about?
Okay, so Pocahontas in the movie, running up Pocahontas, one, I didn't know it was a real story.
Okay.
Two, she marries John, who?
She married someone else.
Someone else!
Not John Smith.
No!
Like our whole Disney world had just crumbled around us, didn't it? We just cannot even believe that she did not marry John Smith. Okay, so we're getting ready for bed.
Yep.
So we're going to talk about our high of the day.
My?
Who wants to go first?
Me.
Who normally goes first?
Ella.
Do you normally go first? Let's let Ava go first and you go last. All right. All right. So what was your high of the day? Yeah, second.
My high of the day was going to Vinny's and being a thief.
Going to Vinny's with all Daddy's friends.
And I stole the wallet, the watch, the phone, and someone's sunglasses.
How fun is that?
And I also lost the compass.
But we found it.
But we found it.
Yeah,
Finally.
Daddy's friends are super nice, aren't they? Now tell me what your high of the day was.
Going to bed.
Going to bed? Are you tired?
I'm so tired.
You haven't slept in like 4 nights.
I know.
Are you really tired tonight?
No.
No.
My high of the day was doing art.
Doing art? Who did we learn art about?
Michelangelo.
That's right, Michelangelo. And do you remember what kind of art we learned about?
I
Hold on, I'm asking Ella. It was her high of the day. Do you remember what kind of art we learned about?
know.
It's, what do you know it's called?
Frisco.
That's right. You guys made some really pretty ones.
If you guys like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that thumbs button. And we're really trying to get to 100 subscribers and get those views up.
So share it on Facebook.
Share it on Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want to share it on. Just please subscribe and do all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, and
don't forget to do like. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.